Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views. Today we have with us Dr. Sumit Shastri. He is the director of the Karnasar Museum. It's in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Sir, will you please tell us about what is the concept of this science museum and what themes you are planning so that you can reach to the wider audience in Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai, for the Mumbai school students. So, Dr. Sumit Shastri.
Yes. Dr. Sumit Shastri, Project Director, Regional Science Center, Patan. Regional Science Center, Patan. It is also popularly known as Dinosaur Park, Patan.
Right.
This organization is working under Guj Coast Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat. We have a very specific audience, that is school children and teachers,
Okay.
for whom we organize customized workshops, and we organize expert talk and scientific talks and scientific movies and documentaries, so without any additional charge.
Right.
So when school students from anywhere, whether it is Maharashtra or Rajasthan or anywhere from the country, is coming on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday with their school letterhead along with the teachers, then we organize every educational activities and program here at the cost of 10 rupees only, which is 20 rupees in case of Saturday, Sunday and public holidays. So at a no cost or minimal cost, the school student can have the visit of 5 different galleries, dinosaur park, sundial. Along with that, they can enjoy the workshop of their choice, which may be drone technology, telescopy, electron microscopy, or advanced electronics, or millets, or climate change, whatsoever they like, or whatsoever they like in terms of the scientific film or documentary show.
So, Dr. Sumit Shastri, you told us all about the exhibitions, all about this dinosaur museum, etc. But I wanted to know about what are the facilities you are providing, like reaching out to the Mumbai
Yes.
students in Maharashtra, all over the other states. So, are you planning to advertise it on the newspaper or somewhere so that they will come to know? Right now, the Google local guides, we will be mapping it on the Google Maps. But what else are you planning to do for that?
Presently, without much publicity,
Right.
we are getting the desired number of audience on daily basis. Our average footfall is more than expected around the year. In last 2 years and so, we have welcomed here more than 11 lakh visitors. So, which is quite very
Yeah,
good
great
figure,
achievement, right?
great achievement for us. In that, more than 5 lakh school students and teachers have visited this site. So, as such, we don't have further publicity plan, but from whatever they presently from the across the world, 13 countries, from India 28 states and 8 union territories, and from Gujarat all 33 districts, visitors are visiting this place regularly. In terms of Maharashtra, Rajasthan, every month we have a very good visitors, and they are
The larger
visiting,
audience from
they are
Maharashtra.
visiting in a group of 50 to 150.
That's
So that from Rajasthan and from Maharashtra also,
Maharashtra, yes.
they are always visiting group. Their group is either of 50 and goes maximum to the 150. Together they are visiting here. So it's
Congratulations, sirs, and wish you all the best so that more students get to know about this museum and they will be benefiting from all the knowledge over here. Thank you so much, sir.
thank you, madam.
Thank you,
Thank you. Most
sir.
welcome.